In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to filter duplicate values in Excel. To get started, open the Excel file where you want to identify duplicate values. Once your worksheet is open, select the cells that contain the data you want to check. This is important because Excel will only look for duplicates within the range you highlight. So before moving on, make sure you've selected the correct group of cells. For example, you might be checking a list of names, product codes, order numbers, or any other repeated entries in a column or table. After selecting your data, go to the Home tab at the top of Excel. In the ribbon, look for Conditional Formatting. Click on it to open the menu, then hover over Highlight Cells Rules. From there, choose Duplicate Values. This opens a dialog box that allows you to tell Excel exactly what you want to highlight. In the dialog box, make sure the first drop-down is set to duplicate. This tells Excel to find any values that appear more than once in the selected range. In the second drop-down, choose the highlight style you want to use. Excel usually offers several preset formatting options, such as light red fill with dark red text, but you can simply pick the one that stands out most clearly for you. The goal is to make repeated values easy to spot at a glance. Once everything looks right, click OK. Excel will immediately apply the formatting and highlight the cells that contain duplicate values. This gives you a quick visual way to review repeated entries without sorting the data manually or searching one item at a time. Keep in mind that this method highlights duplicates rather than removing them, so it's especially useful when you want to review your data first before deciding what action to take. It's a fast and simple way to clean up spreadsheets, check for repeated information, or verify lists for accuracy. And that's all there is to it. By selecting your data, using conditional formatting, and choosing duplicate values, you can quickly filter duplicate values visually in Excel and make your worksheet much easier to review.